Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button D and D, which stands for Do Not Disturb. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set it to turn on when device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from starred contacts only, or from nobody. You can also notify about repeated calls, ring or vibrate when while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can set up start time, end time on this schedule, and also on days on which it will repeat. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.